Hi darlings and bugs, welcome to my channel Me and Places. I'm Pauliina. My mom found a place in Helsinki, in Puotila. There is a manor here, PUOTILAN KARTANO, and they organize a light event in the garden, and we are here now, so let's enjoy. This is really beautiful. Especially I like this because, you know, we have this festival every winter, Lux Helsinki. I think I made a video last year or the previous year about it. But I go every year for many years already, and I usually enjoy it a lot. But this year there was like not much to see, not much new, and the things that were new were not very impressive, especially compared to the amount of people. So I think this is like a good alternative light event. It's always cool when you have a long dark winter and some event brings a lot of light and color into it. Oh my god, there is even south side here with crabs. Crabs! Crab battle. And palms. And flamingos! Oh my god, there are flamingos. Look at them. Aww. These are light swings, look at that. Nice. And these change color when you touch them. Let's check this out. Oh! This was my brief walk through this light event called Magic Winter. How did you like it, darlings? Thank you for watching and see you somewhere else. Bye!